Every single day, guys, I get one question that comes along on my emails that is very, very common. And that question is, how can you start to make some sort of money online if you have no money, no investment? You literally have no money to start online. Well, usually it takes money to make money online, but today I'm going to show you how you can make around about $30 per hour watching videos online. Yes, and you could do this with $0. All you need is a little bit of time to do this. So let's jump into my office and I'll show you exactly how you can make $30 per hour online right now. All right, guys, before we get started, I want to mention one thing. The reason I'm showing you this particular method is so you can get a little bit of money so you can use that money to hopefully start another business online. This is perfect to get a little bit of money to start a dropshipping business, an affiliate marketing business. Maybe you want to start your own course and do Facebook ads. Or you can keep the money if you like. However, my recommendation is to do this and then use the money for something even bigger. All right, guys, because I get asked all the time, how can you make money off $0? This is a great way to do it, guys. It's free. You don't need to spend any money. This is just going to take a little bit of time for you to do. So this is absolutely perfect if you're looking for a quick and easy way to make a little bit of money online. But to get started as well, guys, you must have a PayPal account. This is really important because this is how all of your money is going to get sent to you. So go to paypal.com, sign up for an account, and then you're going to get paid the money into PayPal, and you can take that money out and do whatever you like with it. Spend it, buy Louis Vuitton or designer stuff if you like, or buy some new shoes, or you can use it to start and grow another business, which is what I recommend you do. Guys, before we get into the actual method, make sure you leave a comment below, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and make sure you give this video a like, because I give away free stuff every single week. Plus, I give away entry into one of my courses, as some of you guys know. So make sure you do that to get an entry. Now, the reason I'm showing you this method as well, guys, apart from the money side, is I actually have a Shopify theme called ecomturbo.com, right? And we have, the theme has apps built in and stuff like that. Now, we need people to test it for us, to watch videos and find bugs and all sorts of stuff. So what we do is we actually use these websites to do that. We pay people $10, $20, $30, $40, $50 to watch videos of our product and test our product, okay? So, as you can imagine, a theme with apps in it, we come across a lot of bugs, we have to update all the time, so we're consistently testing and testing and testing. So what you want to do, guys, is I've picked the best 3 sites that you can do this with, okay? This one is called usertesting.com. And what you can do is you can come here and you can earn up to $60 per test. Sorry, guys, just to turn my phone on silent, we have some money coming in. Make plenty of money online. So you can make up to $60 per test, guys. And what you can do is basically you can watch videos, you can test apps and websites, and companies like my company, Ecom Turbo, we will pay you to test stuff for us. Okay, so this is how it works. Get $10 via PayPal for every 20-minute video you complete. User testing pays you for visiting apps and completing tasks and watching videos and stuff like that. So $10 every 20 minutes on average. Is roughly about every 10 to 20 minutes. So that's around about $30 per hour. It's actually a little bit more than that. So you can make $100, $200 per day. And guys, once again, you do this without spending any money. It's just time. Everyone's got a little bit of time on their hands. All right. And you can go down, guys, and this is used by very, very big brands as well. But this isn't the only site you can use. Okay. There are 2 more that I've found. I mainly use this one. But there's this one here, guys, called userfeel.com as well. You go to become a tester. Become a tester and earn $10 per test. Each test lasts 10 to 20 minutes. You do it from your home computer or smartphone, guys. So you can even do it from a smartphone. We would prefer people do it from a laptop when we do ours. Read the following instructions, and I've got an example video and stuff like that, guys. So you can go and watch videos, test apps, test websites, test software and stuff like that, and get paid to do it. Now, that's not the only website, guys, the only 2. There is also another one which I like. There's heaps, but these are the top 3 in my opinion. This is another one called userlytics.com. And it's easy. Register to earn money, okay? Interact with web and mobile apps and stuff like that. You can also probably watch videos on here as well. Get paid via PayPal. And these guys will pay $5, $10 to $15, or even as much as $90. It all depends on the person that wants the test done, or the the video that's watched. So what happens, guys, is what we actually do is with our theme is we'll send people, we'll have a video, right? And we'll have a video of a process, like someone going to, we'll be like, hey, let's upload the Shopify theme to a store, and we'll do a purchase checkout, right? And we'll record it. And what we do is we upload it to these websites, and we get people to watch the video to see if they can see anything that we missed. Okay, so that's kind of when the watch video thing comes into play. And yeah, that's really it, guys. So guys, it's really, really easy to do. You go to one of these 3 websites, you sign up, you spend a little bit of time on this. Let's say you do 3 tests a day. Okay. It's $30 per day. Now, I know that doesn't seem like a lot of money, but when you're stuck at a 9-to-5 job and you do this after work or something, and you get an extra $30, it soon starts to accumulate, right? $30, times that by 2 for the next day, $6, times that by 4, you've got $120 extra dollars in a week, right? Then you times that again and again and again, and it accumulates $400 a month, $500 a month. And you can use that money to start another business online, whether it be drop shipping, affiliate marketing, or maybe you want to use it for Facebook ads or Google ads in one of your online businesses that you already have, right? So my channel is all about making money, but I understand that a lot of people don't know where to start. They literally have $0. Guys, I get so many emails about that. So I'm pretty sure most of my demographic have no money or online knowledge. So to get some online money, you can simply go and do this on these 3 websites and make some money, guys. And by the way, I'm not, this isn't a get rich quick scheme. I'm not telling you that this is going to work for everybody. I'm not telling you this is going to make you rich. This is going to make you a few dollars so you can start something online yourself. Or you might want to make some money after work on the side for a bit of extra food or something, right? Who knows? I don't know your situation, but you're obviously here trying to learn how to make money. All right. And then so I don't know how long, usually it takes around about 4 or 5 days or something to get the money. 2 or 3 days really just depends on the website. But these 3 websites will pay you into your PayPal account. Once you're paid into your PayPal account, you can withdraw that money to your bank account. It comes in your bank account within 3 or 4 days. Then you can use that money for whatever you like. It's a very, very good system. And actually the sale I just got before was on PayPal. All right, that little ding ding you heard. So guys, that's the 3 sites. Usertesting.com. You can test apps, test websites, watch videos. You get up to $60 per test on this site, okay? Around about $10 every 20 minutes. This one is userfeel.com. They will do you $10 per test. Once again, each test lasts around about 10 to 20 minutes. Now, they're probably not going to have a lot of tests you can do, like that you can't just keep doing it every hour, right? Or every 10, 20 minutes and make heaps of money. They might do 3, 4 tests a day that you can do, or 1 or 2 tests a day. Preferably, you want to be doing $30 an hour, but it really just depends on what site. But if you use all of these sites, guys, and other sites, you can definitely do $30 an hour for quite a long time, maybe forever. And then we have this one here, get paid to test apps. These guys will pay you $5, $10, $15, $20, or even up to $90 per test. All right, guys? It's really that simple. And you scroll down, you put in your email, you sign up, all of that good stuff, and it's a free to sign up. And then inside, you'll get all the information to do as well. And you can watch videos, make money watching videos. Those are the easiest ones. All right, guys? Now, as some of my subscribers know, we actually just did a re-release on my e-commerce Shopify training. Now, I don't like to do big promotions on this, but I do like to mention it at the end of my videos, just in case there's some people in here that are interested in jumping in. And actually, we'll just show you inside. So this is Ecom Elites 2.0. If you don't know what this is a e-commerce training showing people how to build e-commerce stores. And if you don't have any money, like this video, you can go and make some money with this method, and then you can expand into other business models like this. So if we go down here, guys, there's all sorts of modules. It just basically takes you through how to start your own e-commerce business online, selling drop shipping products. Okay, I've got heaps of videos on that on my channel. If you want to check out that, you have no idea what that is. However, for the 2.0 launch, guys, we are doing a special deal. We're doing a Cyber Monday deal. Whenever this video is recorded, it might be a little bit late, but we are doing a Cyber Monday deal. So if you want to jump in there, it is live. We have extended it for 24 hours because a lot of people wanted it extended. So I did do that for everyone. But if you want to jump into this, guys, you come in here. All the information is on the page. You can start your own online dropshipping business Dropshipping is a great business model, by the way. It explains it all on here. Or you can go and watch my other videos explaining what dropshipping is, how it works, and how it can make you money. All right. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Once again, Ecom Elites 2.0 is now live. Click the link in the description and you can get access to that right now. But it will be closing, guys. I don't leave this open for very long. And once again, these are the 3 websites where you can do testing: usertesting.com, userfeel.com, and userlytics.com. Userlytics.com. All right, guys, those are the 3 websites that I personally recommend that you can do this. And remember, guys, comment below, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell notification button so you can get notified when my next video releases.